In this video we will learn what is artificial intelligence or AI and how it's different from machine learning and deep learning. Let's start by defining artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The goal of AI is to create systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as decision making, problem solving, speech recognition, and language translation. But here's the catch. Artificial intelligence isn't just one thing. It encompasses a broad range of technologies and techniques. One key area under AI is machine learning, so let's break that down. Machine learning, ML, is a subset of AI that focuses on teaching machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of providing a machine with step-by-step instructions, we provide it with data, and the machine learns patterns and makes predictions or decisions based on that data. In this example, we used the Iris dataset and AK nearest neighbors model to classify flowers based on their features. The machine learns from the training data and predicts the species for new, unseen data. Now, let's move on to another subset of AI, deep learning. Deep learning is a more advanced subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, known as deep neural networks. Deep learning mimics the human brain's structure by using a network of artificial neurons that process information in layers. These networks are great for tasks like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and more. In this code, we're using a deep neural network to recognize handwritten digits from the MNIST dataset. The network learns patterns from the images and predicts the correct number. So, what's the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? In simple terms, AI is the broad concept of machines performing tasks that require human intelligence. It includes everything from rule-based systems to advanced algorithms. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves teaching machines to learn from data without explicit programming. It's the technique used to train models using data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It uses complex neural networks with many layers to process data and make predictions. It's great for tasks that involve large amounts of unstructured data, such as images and speech. To sum it up, AI is the broad concept of creating intelligent systems. Machine learning is about learning from data, and deep learning is a powerful technique that uses neural networks to process large datasets for complex tasks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-related content.